how to download your Facebook Live videos for repurposing. Now, repurposing your content is an absolutely fantastic strategy to multiply the effects and the benefits that it has both for your followers and for you. If you are doing live stream videos on Facebook, for example, you can download those live videos, save them as an MP4, and use them for a whole variety of purposes, such as adding them to your online courses, your paid programs. You can create free lead magnets out of them and give them away in exchange for people's email addresses. Or, of course, you can just save those as MP4s and re-upload them to other channels, such as uploading them to your YouTube channel, or uploading them natively to LinkedIn, or uploading them natively to your Facebook business pages and groups and so on. The more you can multiply the use of your content, the more reach that you're having with less work. So it's an absolutely fantastic strategy to use. And it's really, really simple, and so many people don't know that you can do this. Now, I have just recorded a live video on Facebook, so just simply went live. And what you want to do is just click on your video. So first of all, go find your live video after you've recorded it, go back to the replay. Now you have to click on the video so that it comes up as a full screen. So click on that live video. I'm just going to pause it, and then all you're going to do is, once it's open live, there's me having a nice sip of coffee. Make sure it's up onto this big screen. Now, over on the top right hand side of the screen, when you've pulled up the replay like this, are 3 teeny weeny tiny little dots. Click on those 3 tiny little dots and you'll have the option to download the video. You simply click download video and voila, boom, there it is. She's downloaded. Gonna open her up, and there we go. That easy, that fast. Now what I can do is edit that video and add that to my courses or to my YouTube channel. So that is how you repurpose and download a live stream. I hope that helped.